How to export Zendesk tickets. For that purpose, head over to your Zendesk dashboard and then you're going to go on to views. Into the views section, you can view all of your tickets, the unassigned tickets, the unsolved tickets, also the recently updated tickets. Now from here, you're going to click onto the actions button and click on export as CSV. So once you click on export as CSV, what it basically does is it's going to open another pop-up menu where it's going to send you an export onto your Gmail. So you're going to open up your Gmail. Let me just open up my Gmail and wait for the email that they've sent as an exportation. Keep in mind that it's going to take a few minutes for you to reach it. You see your unsolved tickets are ready and you can just simply download this from the following location. Once you click onto the link sent into your email, you can download that onto your hard disk and keep that safe onto your PC. So this is how you can export your tickets onto Zendesk.